Joe United has officially decided to change its name to the Kuki-Zo Council. This decision was made during a crucial meeting held on October 5 at the YMA Hall in Churachandpur with the participation of representatives from 27 constituent bodies. The agenda focused on the future direction of Joe United with voting conducted among 30 constituent bodies. Of the total votes, 19 favored the new name while 9 chose to maintain the original name. 1 vote supported the name Kuki-Zo Council and 1 member remained neutral. Notably, 3 organizations, KOTU, MTFD and KI Cycle cast their votes online. With the majority in favor, the Assembly resolved to rebrand Joe United as the Kuki-Zo Council and elevate its status to a political platform. This transformation aims to enhance political representation and advocacy for the Kuki-Zo community. The decision will now be forwarded to the Mizoram NGO Coordination Committee for approval, with plans to finalize the formation of the new council within the next 2 weeks.